The best place to find stones for meditation is on a beach because the stones have soft features from being tumbled in the waves. You're looking for stones that fit your hands nicely with natural pockets for your fingers and thumb, like the handle of an old tool. Stones that just feel good when you pick them up. If you don't live near the water, you can usually find beach stones at your local landscaping and garden centre. Look for Mexican pebbles. They're nice, rounded beach stones. The smaller stones are best for meditation. Search for some interesting shapes. You should be able to find a few sets that fit comfortably in your hands. The larger stones are great for releasing trigger points and rolling out sore muscles. You can also warm them up to create your own hot stone massage. Grab a variety of shapes and sizes. They're also just cool looking to keep out around your home, or for your dog to play with. And you can order Mexican beach pebbles online. Look for the 3 to 5 inch sizes.